Now we will put two new cells and use the same strip again to repair the remote by removing the cells from its compartment. We have removed the cell. We can still use the strips. If the strips are not crushed, we try to unfold it. Let us see. We have got stretched our piece of foils, folded piece of foils, and now we will use them with the new cells. We have put the one silver strip and the second strip also we have placed at the cap side. Now we close the cell compartment. Now we have closed it. Now your remote is ready to be used. See how quickly it will work. Switch off and switch on. With new cells and with new or previous foils, we are able to switch on and switch off very easily. Look, it is working without hitting it. It is working easily. No need to hit it. Good.